Today is a very exciting day for me because in my hand today I have
white light paint okay, but it don't faze me. So come blow me away before you take me on another day. Cause girl, you make me want not go insane. Oh, babe.
good. So finally I've bought an iPhone. So it was a dream from a childhood, to have a latest iPhone in my hand, and Alhamdulillah, the dream is complete now.
Right star, bitch, I don't know about you. I'm with a new bitch, daily drifting back.
So today I'm going to visit Dubai Frame, and the whole video will be shot on this mobile. So let's go.
Talk to me, I just want a little bit of company. You acting like you really wanna fall for me, but baby, can you tell me?
By the way, everything is good. Having fun here.
I just want a little bit of company. You acting like you really wanna fall for me.
To ride this cycle in one hand, it's very difficult and it's very dangerous. I cannot ride in one hand and also film myself or take a selfie. So I'm avoiding to do that. Welcome to Dubai Frame.
I just want a little bit of company. You acting like you really wanna fall for me, but baby, can you tell me who you wanna be? Talk to me, I just want a little bit of company.
We have a big line here to go to this frame. I have parked my cycle there, and this is the ticket, and this is the cycle ticket. Again, we have a line here to go inside to the top of the Dubai frame. Another frame. He's selling his products, the cupboard, this is. Everyone has a digital shop here. He's selling Collins. Hello brother, hello.
Emotional damage.
चिच्चा चौला में जरा.
Acting like you really wanna fall for me, but baby, can you tell me who you wanna be? Talk to me, I just want a little bit of company.
50 meter side, 48 score. You can see on the right side, near Dubai, left side, over Dubai. In a minute.
Baby, can you tell me who you wanna be? Talk to me, I just want a little bit of company. You acting like you really wanna fall for me, but baby, can you tell me who you wanna be? Yeah, I guess you got my intention. Got no place I'd rather be. Feel like another dimension.
Enjoy watch a video about the Dubai 2015.
Baby, can you tell me who you wanna be? Talk to me, I just want a little bit of company. You acting like you really wanna fall for me, oh baby, can you tell me who you wanna be?
So the Dubai frame is completed. It looks beautiful from the outside. I recommend to watch it from the outside, take some photos and enjoy. It's not worth it to go inside that much. And we have a beautiful view in front. So that's it for this video. Now it's getting dark. I'm going home. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Live a life, bro.